सो हाय एवरीवन जी, कैसे हैं आप सब। मैं राजन चौधरी। आज बात करेंगे आंसर, रिप्लाई और रिस्पोंड। These verbs have essentially the same meaning. You can answer an email, reply to an email, most common when talking about email, respond to an email. When someone calls you, you answer the phone or pick up the phone. When you make a statement or some comments, you usually say the other person replies or responds. When you ask a question, we usually say the other person answers. However, this is not 100%. Reply and respond can also be used for answering a question. When used as a noun with a and the, and possessive pronouns like my, your, his, her, etc., the words answer and reply don't change, but the noun form of respond is response. For example, he answered my question, but I didn't understand his answer. For example, we are waiting for a reply from the customer. For example, her response to his comment was brilliant. Is it? थैंक यू सो मच। मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू।